Do you actually know that you can make a whole lot of money online just by editing images? It is very simple and it's something I'm going to teach you right here in this video. If you can take this video seriously, you can make up to $600 per day or per week, if only you are consistent with this strategy. The important thing about this strategy is you don't have to sell any product, you don't have to advertise, you don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to promote anything for you to make money. All you need to do is just to follow this process, which I will be teaching you in this video. The first thing you want to do is for you to have access to this website. This website will give you access to a whole lot of services how you can make money. So the first website is called FiveSquid. Now this FiveSquid website is a freelancing website where you advertise different services. You don't have to meet people one-on-one. All you need to do is to create an ad and people will just come to the site and get you on. Right, so are you interested in learning exactly how you can make up to $600 per day just by doing this simple thing? If you are, please, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave me with a comment below. Also, let me know the country you are watching from so that I can tell you the best make money opportunity in your location. Website called FiveSquid. There is a new category which have been enabled. You just come to this area and just click on that drop down button. All you have to do is just come towards to the bottom, just come to the bottom and click your message on. Now this is a whole new category on FiveSquid, so I want you to make use of it. I want you to leverage this. So as you can see, this amount of money people are charging for doing simple thing. Now I'll show you how you can make money under 5 minutes. You can actually make money under 5 minutes just by doing this. Now you see this person, he says, I will put 3 pics of your billboards in busy Times Square in New York. This person says, I will put a couple picture on a Valentine card with a text. I will do light writing on your name or text. And so on. So there are a whole lot of things that you can see right here. So for instance, if we are to click on this particular image, you can see let's use this one. If you click on this image, you will see that this is the ads. So this is the sample of what you want to do. You want to create something like this, right? And you see they're going to charge this amount of money for everybody, that anyone that wants this particular offer, right? So what you do is you just register on this account. Once you've registered on this account as a seller, not as a buyer, register as a seller. Once you've registered as a seller on this account, all you need to do is to do what others are doing. Just go to this category, see graphic / article, put in your country and ensure that your details are presentable. Look at what other people are doing so that you can have a high chance of making more money. So you see, this is the product. What this person will be doing, he said, I will put your couple picture on a Valentine's card with a text for £5. Now this is a very simple thing. All you need, everything you need is online. So what you want to do with this image, let's say you've gotten a client, before you do that, you just have to practice yourself. Now there's also a website. Before I show you the website, please, I want you to smash the like button right now, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to let me know where you are watching from to get more make money online opportunity. Now this website is called automail.com. This automail website is where the magic is going to happen. So what you want to do on this particular website, once you come to this website, so this is the website, this is how the interface looks like. So all you have to do, just click on the first image, right? So this is just like a template. So all you need to do is you can simply change the image by clicking on change image. Once you click on change image, that image is going to be uploaded here. And what do you do with this text? This text simply means the text that you want to appear in that image. For instance, on FiveSquid, somebody might have told you that they need their name on a Valentine card. or they need their name on their marriage image, or they need their name in whatever image they want. All you need to do is you get the image, you upload the image on this particular website, and you change the name. So I can choose to change this image text to like subscribe to my channel. All right, so once you type in the text you want, for instance, I've typed in subscribe to my channel. Please do that right now. Once you've done that, just click on change image. Once you click change image, you can see that the image have changed. Now this is a powerful strategy. You can do this, you can change the template, everything is changeable, right? So that's the first website, and there's another website. And what is that website? It's very popular. It's called fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is, in fact, is the #1 freelancing website in the whole wide world, right? So what you do on this website basically is to offer services. As you can see, there are different services you can offer on Fiverr.com. You can offer graphic designing, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, and so on. But we are not interested in all of that. What we're interested in is very simple. Now what you need to do is you just click the link in the video description to sign up for this particular website so that you have access to the full service. What you want to do is you go ahead to the search bar and type in Einstein image. Once you type in Einstein image, these images are going to pop up. I believe you can see that these images are similar to the image you have seen here. Now this is where the magic happens. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know where you're watching from. Now you can see basically it said I will social media post Einstein chalkboard, Uncle Sam Quakerman, and so on. I will place your message written on board by Einstein 5 photos. In other words, this person will offer 5 images. Just you see, you can do this in less than few minutes, right? So this person will offer 5 images for $5. So all you need to do is it's just for you to get the text from your client, and you just put in the text right here. For instance, you can put in the text again, like my video. Once you've done that, you just click on change image. Once you've done that, you can see about Einstein will be writing this on the board, which is very interesting. Now what you want to do here is, like I said, you come here and click on become a seller. Once you click become a seller, you are going to be given an option to put in your details. So your details, your name, your email address, your password, and so on. So once you've done that, all you have to do is you put up a gig on Fiverr and you are going to make money. So imagine that you are getting 2 of these per day. Imagine you are getting 5 of these per day, or you are getting 10 of these per day. How much do you think you are going to earn? Let me know in the comment section below if it's something you might want to do, or you have any further question. In case you want to learn exactly how you can make money just by typing, watch the video you are seeing on the end screen right now.